guess what we're doing today? Do you love chatty style videos? Do you love haul videos? Do you love Happy Mail videos? We've got so much to go over today, so grab something cozy to drink or a dry red and let's get into it. Quick disclaimer, I am not responsible for your spending habits. If you don't like seeing, I'm just going to say consumption because I don't believe it's overconsumption. If you're triggered by watching somebody else get a bunch of stuff or buy a bunch of stuff, please skip this video. I think I'm going to go through the Happy Mail first because it just makes your girl so happy. I do want to give a special shout out to my beautiful friend Jana for sending me this heavy care package. I am so excited. Nobody does tape like Jana. I've never actually seen a package so well taped until I met you, my friend. Ain't nobody getting in this box. I think what I'm going to do is set the box off to the side and just start pulling stuff out. Oh my goodness. It's a small square sketchbook. Are you kidding me? Create Happiness. Stampery, created by Vicky. There's no way I'm going to be able to pronounce that name. Okay, so we have got the strap. You know, I'm a fan of that. Oh, nice. It's stitch bound. It looks like cold press. Jana tested it out. Beautiful colors. Jana, what is this? What did you use on this paper? It's also got a ribbon. The paper seems to be like more of an ivory, not a true ivory, but it's definitely not just white. It feels like really nice quality. There does seem to be a variation of paper page to page, and I have seen this in a lot of sketchbooks. I am going to add this to my sketchbook showdown. Be sure you are subscribed. We're going to have an awesome time with that. I love it. Thanks, Jana. Next up, oh, wow. Okay, I've seen so many reviews on these books. I love the size. Oh, Fabriano, the Venezia book. This is 200 GSM and it's the 6x9. Wow, this seems taller than 6x9. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's glorious. Oh, wow. This has got to be cold press. Does it say? It doesn't say. This paper is gorgeous. Jana, you said that I was going to really love the paper in here. Oh my word. I love it. It's also stitch bound. This is going in the sketchbook showdown. We've got another sketchbook. Oh, this is so cute. It's so cute. Another Fabriano. Very similar paper. Oh, it's just beautiful. I love this size. I love this size. I can't wait to test these suckers out. And they're beautiful. They're gorgeous. Toned tan mixed media paper from Strathmore. This is the 400 series. This is great for wet and dry media, and it's acid free. Oh, yeah. I have a sketchbook, and it's the toned tan, but it's a hardcover. These sheets are huge. Love it. You can never have too much paper. I think my sketchbook showdown is also going to have paper in it, so stay tuned for that. Then we have got another toned tan mixed media sketchbook. Oh, thank you so much, Jana. I love the size of this. I love it. And in the other sketchbook that I've done a page in my Strathmore, it took water mediums beautifully. Like, it was gorgeous. I love painting on a toned canvas as well. What do we have next? Oh, wow. Okay. Strathmore Heavyweight. So this is the 500 series. This is a step up 100% cotton. That's different. This one over here is not 100% cotton. They're both 9 by 12. This has 12 sheets in it and it's natural white. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, I love it. I love it. Wow, this paper is so thick. Oh my goodness, I'm trying to separate it, but it's one piece of paper. Fabulous. Thank you so much. I can't wait to try this. Wow, I've never used the 500 series before, so this is going to be really exciting. Next, we've got the Stonehenge Warm White. This is Legion, 15 sheets, 250 GSM, 9 by 12, 100% cotton. Oh, wow. It's pretty smooth, gorgeous color. It says a warm white. Okay, that's exactly how I would describe it, is warm white. Oh, I am so excited. I love the feel of this paper. I don't think I've ever used Stonehenge paper before. So I'm excited to try this out. We've got another Stonehenge warm white pad. Gorgeous. You know we're going to be having some fun with paper around here. Thank you so much, Jana. You spoil me, my friend. If I had to choose which one I'm the most excited about, I think it's this sketchbook. I am so excited to try this paper. I love the feel of it. This is going to be fabulous with Tom's sketchboard. Both of these sizes, actually. I can't wait to take this outside. I am team hardcover book for sure when I'm outside. Well, most of the time. Thank you so much, Jana. Now I've got the Amazon haul to share. And no judgment here, friends. I'm not looking for you to judge me with all of my purchases, okay? Your girls went a little bit crazy. The first things I picked up from Amazon are these cups. I don't know why they came separate because it came two to a pack, but it was not in here, which is very weird. I have another cup like this, but it has a tapered top. And this one, oh, I like this so much better. It has a rubber seal. Hopefully it will be waterproof. I will have to test it out. But this has a wider mouth. I think it's going to go perfect if I want to just clamp this into my Etcher field case. I'll have to show you that. I'm planning a video where I really show you everything I've got, friends, from my go bags. The jury is out with whether or not this is going to stay leak proof, because that's highly important. So I'll let you know. Next, I picked up this Uni Blue. This is the 0.5 size. You get 20 pieces. This goes inside of a mechanical pencil. So I have the Tombow Monograph mechanical pencils. I have several different colors, and your girl loves pink. And this is the 0.5. So I really want to test out how this works inside of here. I've never used colored, well, I've used colored pencils. I've never used colored lead, like a pencil that's not a colored pencil, if that makes sense. One of the biggest reasons I want to do this is so it shows up on camera, because graphite, it's really hard to show up. I did use a Polychromos, Faber-Castell Polychromos blue pencil and in one of my recent videos, and it worked great because, of course, you could just paint right over it. So I'm going to try this out, and I will have to let you know what I think about this. What other colors should I try? I thought about getting pink or red or maybe purple. This did get good reviews, or maybe mixed reviews. I would love to hear your favorite in order to get colored graphite. I'm tongue twisted today, friends. Next, I picked up some just loose paint colors. So I got 2 watercolor colors from Daniel Smith. The first is neutral tint. I do love their neutral tint gouache. And I don't have any neutral tint for watercolors. And I'm very into watercolors these days. And then I picked up Perylene Violet. Perylene Violet is pigment number PV29. It is a single pigment, and I've heard really wonderful things about this color. I can't wait to experiment with it. And then I'm trying out Winsor & Newton Professional Watercolor. This is the first tube in decades that I've bought, and this is Quinacridone Violet. Quinacridone Violet is PV55. Look at how teeny tiny this tube is. This is 0.17 fluid ounces or 5 milliliters, and this is 15. If I can remember it, I'm going to put the prices on the screen. It's kind of arbitrary anyway, because I don't know if Winsor & Newton sells a bigger. They probably do, but maybe I just wanted to test it out. So these are the 3 loose colors that I got. I did narrow it down. I have about $800 in my Dick Blick cart, so expect another haul coming soon as I can afford it. And it's almost all paint. So you're definitely going to want to know, what the hell paint is she buying and why is she trying so many different paints? And yeah, these are watercolors, friends. And you know I'm a gouache artist. Well, and oil paint, but predominantly gouache these days. But I am having a love affair with watercolor right now. I can't wait to share everything I've been learning with that. Then I picked up some dot cards. So Schminke has 139 plus 1 dot cards. I'm going to have a whole other video where we swatch these. So there's 139 colors. Daniel Smith's that I picked up is 266 of the watercolors plus gouache. I forget how much gouache you get. Wow, look at how much there is. What I've heard with this is that there's enough color on here that you can even make little paintings with it. I'm very interested to try the Potter's Pink. I'm excited to just like the ISO Indoline Yellow. I've heard great things about that. Indian Yellow. Oh, wow. Quinacridone Lilac. Oh, I'm so excited. Quinacridone Fuchsia. I'm definitely a Quinacridone gal. We are going to have a blast swatching all of these out. The thing of it is, if we just start buying 200 tubes, it's going to cost a fortune. This was very inexpensive. I did get this on Amazon. They do have it at Dick Blick, but I didn't want to wait for it. I think they were comparably priced. So I just wanted to get it as fast as possible, which is why I got it from Amazon. It's the Iridescent Electric Blue. I have so many sets of Daniel Smith watercolors in my Dick Blick cart, but now I'm going to be able to test them out to see, do I really want them? Do I need these colors? I love that we have the pigment numbers on here. If there's multiple different pigments in there, it lets you know. And this says that you get 5 sheets, and it looks like it is on cold pressed paper. This also shows the light fastness. And it shows how staining it is. Oh, the nerd in me. We are going to have so much fun. I don't want to open this today. You're going to have to stay tuned for that. Well, we got to at least look at this. We're not going to do anything with it, but I'm just going to look at it. Oh, wow. Oh, it's gorgeous. So that has this protective piece of plastic so that they don't rub off on each other. And wow, look at all the colors. You get gold and silver in here too. Just like the other, this is telling you the light fastness, how transparent it is, whether they're granulating or staining. I don't see pigment information on here like we did with the Daniel Smith. So that's going to be interesting. Schminke dot card, it's significantly smaller. Do you see that? You get less. You get less. I'm telling you, friends, I heard great things about the Daniel Smith because you get so much. All right, we're going to keep this set aside. Save this for a rainy day. I cannot wait to do this. I'm probably going to break it into 2 different videos. So one will do the Horadime, the Schminke 139 swatches. We're going to be here for hours. And then we're going to do the Daniel Smith, or do one and then the other. Oh, I can't wait to try this all out. I hope you enjoyed today's haul video and it inspired you to get out your supplies and create something. Want to give another special shout out to Jana. Thank you so much. I cannot wait to test out all of the paper. If you made it to this point in the video, will you put like a letter or a mailbox or a stamp emoji, because I'm so grateful that I got mail, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.